Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home opportunities, and snippets into my daily life beyond the computer screen. But for today's video, we're gonna talk about another loan app na pwede mong idagdag sa listahan mo, and that is Salmon Credit. So, I'm just gonna talk about my experience at kung na-approve man ako sa loan app na ito. And if you wanna know more about it, then please keep on watching. So, regarding Salmon Credit, palagi ko na siya nakakita sa Facebook whenever I'm doom scrolling or kahit dito sa YouTube nakikita ko siya yung mga ads niya. But hindi ko pa siya nasilip, like hindi ako nagkaroon ng time para silipin siya. So ngayon, I'm gonna talk about my experience. Nag-apply na ako, tinapos ko na bago ako nag-record ng video na to save us time. So I'm just gonna talk about it more and how it went for me. So let's start with the legitimacy. I mean, there's no doubt about that. This app is definitely legit. It's registered sa SEC and it's also regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas because it's backed by an actual or a regular bank dito sa Philippines. Meron pala silang iba-ibang loan services. Meron silang parang installment or financial loan, or maybe it would fall under personal loan. And then they have this cash advance. And then ito, yung credit nila, yung Salmon Credit nila, which we're gonna focus on sa video na ito. So, saan mo ba siya madadownload? The good thing is, it's available for both iOS and sa Android. Dito, sa Android, they have a rating of 4.7, tapos over 1 million na downloads na. So, definitely, marami ng users ang Salmon Credit. Now, yung personal phone ko ay itong iPhone. Pero, this time, I tried to download it and install it dito sa Android phone ko kasi I wanted to use my married name to apply for Salmon Credit. Just to give you a heads up, never ko pang nagamit yung married name ko to apply for loans, to open a bank account, or anything financial. So, basically, wala akong credit history with my married name, if that makes sense. So, I wanted to cling to what I saw about Salmon Credit. I wanted to hold on dun sa nakita ko. Ang sabi kasi dito, no credit history, no problem daw. So, yun lang, na-curious ako and I wanted to give it a try. Natapos ko na yung application process. And then, eto lang, the other reason why I decided to use my secondary phone is because marites naman pala itong app na ito and gusto niyang access sa contacts ko, sa device location ko, sa mga photos ko for security and analytics daw. And I'm not very comfortable with that. So that's mainly the reason why I decided to use my secondary phone and then use my married name as well para i-test kumbaga kung ma-approve ba ako. So, after that, ito na yung sabi niya, 0% interest daw up to 62 days. All purchases. Pay on time and enjoy interest-free shopping for up to 62 days. So, dinaig pa niya si Atomy. Kung si Atomy ay may grace period na mga 40 days, yung pwede mo siyang bayaran, i-repay within 40 days and wala kang babayarang interest on top of that, ito 62 days. So, that's approximately 2 months. And then, sabi dito, you can borrow daw or pwede ka magkaroon ng credit limit of up to 100,000 that grows the more you use it every day. Instant access with a virtual card, which is safe, fast, and easy. And it's 100% digital, means no stolen cards and illegal scheming. Okay. So, that sounds good, diba? Inviting siya. 62 days. Imagine, that's about 2 months. So, kung may binili kang, let's say, worth 10,000 pesos na, ano bang worth 10,000 na furniture, and then, nabayaran mo naman siya within that 2-month period, within that grace period, then, wala kang babayarang interest. So, that actually makes it better than Atome if that's the case, because you have a longer grace period than Atome. So, mas mahaba-habang time para ka makaipon at makapag-prepare ng pambayad mo. Alright? So, that's a very good selling point. And then after that, hiningi naman yung mga personal details ko. Ito, yung address, and then yung type of housing, yung length of stay. Tapos dito na part, enter your monthly income. Sinadya ko talagang ilagay itong I don't have a monthly income. Nilagyan ko yung check mark na yan kasi I wanted to find out if maa-approve ba ako if, for example, I'm a plain housewife and no income at all. So, after that, pinapili ako ng ID to verify myself. And then, ito yung mga options niya. Flash ko na lang sa screen. Passport, postal ID, UMID, Social Security, PhilSys, I think ito yung national ID, and the driver's license. So, pili ka lang ng isa. And as for me, yung ID ko na may married name ko yung nilagay ko, which is my passport. And then, you just have to take a picture of yourself also for verification. And ito na. Thanks for your patience. We're taking a bit more time to review. And it says, we're reviewing your application. Tapos, ito na, may timer. 53 seconds. We're reviewing your application. We'll send you a push notification about the results. O, diba? Ang dali-dali. I really like yung application process using the app kasi hindi siya masyadong maraming kailangan sagutan kagaya ng ibang mga loan apps or lending company, online lending companies. Ito, like, siguro mga less than 10 steps actually. Less than 10 steps and then tapos ka na. And as for the result, sabi dito 53 seconds pero may plot twist pala siya. Pagkatapos nun, eto nang lumabas sa screen ko. Just 10 minutes more, your application is under final review and we'll send you a push notification about the results. So, ayun na. I just have to wait for 10 minutes to get the result. And you know what? Hindi na siya umabot ng 10 minutes. It was less than 10 minutes, nakuha ko na agad yung result niya. So, handa ka na ba sa result? Was I approved or not? And kung magkano man ang na-approve sa akin bilang plain housewife at walang income. So, yun na nga. Ito ang response niya. Your loan online products, Salmon Credit. Salmon Credit application reviewed. So, tapos na. And then, ito na. Bang! The application was reviewed but wasn't approved at this time. Well, so I don't have high hopes. Kasi nga, wala pa akong credit history with my married name. So if they did try to like verify it using their unified system and whatnot, wala silang makikita pangalan. Hindi nila makikita yung pangalan ko doon. Not unless may kapareha ako ng pangalan. Like exactly the same. So, yun. They cannot find any information about me, yung mga previous loans or cards or bank accounts. So, ayun na nga. I think that was mainly the reason why hindi ako na-approve. Maybe. I don't really know. But more likely, my gut feel tells me, yun eh. Siguro if I use my maiden name, more likely, there's a higher chance na ma-approve ako sa Salmon. But, I guess we'll never know unless I'll give it another try. But anyway, since hindi naman ako na-approve, I decided to just uninstall it. Pero, hindi ko pa siya na-uninstall because I have to wait for like 24 hours for the account deletion. I wanted my account completely deleted so that I can maybe try it again next time. So, yun. Alright. So, yun lang ang mako-comment ko with regard to the application process. It's super fast. With their buy now pay later service, with this new feature or update na 62 days to repay, or 62 days grace period, that makes it better than Atome. As for the interest, I did a few research online. So, nasa 8 to 9% yung interest niya, which is not really bad compared to other OLAs. If hindi ka pa nabigyan ng opportunity to have access sa iba pang mga OLAs na legit and mababa yung interest, I think Salmon would be one of your options. Kung ma-approve ka, yeah. It would be, I mean, you could definitely consider this one. If you need to make purchases and wala ka pang credit card, wala kang access to GGives or to Atome and Belize in one hand, I can definitely say na if it's around 8 or 9% interest lang naman, pwedeng-pwede na yung Salmon. Alright, so my final thoughts. I think Salmon credit is definitely something that you could add to your list, and it's reliable. And as far as the application is concerned, it's very fast. Like, the process is very easy. And what I really like about Salmon credit is the revolving credit, or like it's a reusable credit. Once ma-approve ka na ng 50,000, for example, you don't have to reapply whenever you need money again. Let's say, approve ka for 50,000, ginamit mo yung 20K, tapos binalik mo, binayaran mo, and then nangailangan ka ulit ng 30K or 40K. So, it's revolving, it's reusable. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-reapply whenever you need the money. So, yun lang. Kagaya din siya ng C-Bank credit, which offers reusable or revolving credit. Yung Maya personal loan, let's say you have been approved now, tapos na-pay off mo na, and then you have to apply again if kailangan mo na naman ng pera. So, yun. Those are like the things that I really like about Salmon credit despite not being approved this time. So, yun lang. If you have Salmon credit, please feel free to share your experience sa app na ito. Leave a comment in the comment section, for reference for other viewers para makatulong din sa iba. And kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, and if you're still watching, then please consider liking this video. Follow mo na rin ako for more videos like this, and share this to someone who might actually need this. Thank you again for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!